Very on.
Very bad. Yeah.
Experiment 4.
No, I need to.
Modulo 9. The counter will count 0 to 9. And if the counter exceeds more than 9, the LED will turn on.
No.
In this experiment, we could also set the number and continue the count. Yan. If you set a number, the output will be the setted number, and it will continue to count. And the LED is turned on because it exceeds to 9. There's a reset also, and the pause. If you hold the number of pause, all buttons cannot be used.